At this time.
October 13th, 2025.
All right, we got 5 cars
Topsfield
coming up to
Demolition
event
Darby.
number 1, 6 cars
Castle,
in event
Mass.
number 2, and hopefully 6
Last event
in
of
our
the evening.
championship feature event. And here they come.
Right into the arena. That 13? 13's back again. You watched the races, that was 13.
Lewis Beckwith from Topsfield to the line.
Yeah, he won. He won his first time winning the Crazy 8 race.
Trevor Madison from Halifax.
Wow. Wow, that's actually kind of, that's like
Some
from
of these cars did run their figure eight this afternoon. We reckon about 5 cars this afternoon as well.
Oh yeah.
Car number 22,
These cars will not look good by the end of the day. They will not look good at the end of the evening. Wow, pretty good pink.
66, Greg Morgan from a middle town. Turn it around.
Hibachi. Oh, it's a sponsor, yeah.
16 to the line, John Kelly.
16's back in, yeah. War Pig.
Your winner of our figure
Love
eight
it.
this afternoon. So he's already going home with $800 in his pocket.
Okay.
The first championship for John Kelly.
4 scores and 4 cars later.
Move them forward a little bit more, guys. About 5 feet. Move them forward. That's good. Helmet straps. Make sure everything is secure and tight. Any problems, raise your hand. Watch the driver's door hits at all times, and please try not to knock the side barriers over. All right, with a countdown, everyone, 10 to the word go. Let's find out who our first 2 winners will be. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Already some rear end.
All right, again, they start out some good hits right from the start. 66 headman.
Whoa, got that. Bam, bam.
So far, 66 with the hardest hit. 01 with a little shot over there. 16, 13 down. As you see that water splashing around in the cars.
Oh yeah, from the rain. That water makes it more fun.
Hold it up, guys. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. 5, 4.
Seatbelt regulation.
16 with a nice front end shot. John Kelly. And another hit on 01.
Wow. 1 was horrible.
Might be having some issues out there. Get it going. 22.
22 is not doing good.
Shot. 01 says that he's out of here.
Something wrong with the drive shaft.
22 on the
Yeah, he
clock
can't
right now.
move.
16 looking for
22 will go again.
22 definitely having some issues.
Yeah.
Car's moving a little bit, but maybe the brakes are locked up.
Wow, look at the motor of that thing.
Now with good contact. They've got to be able to do the big contact to stay in it. 16 with another good shot. Definitely the aggressor out there. Got a hit. Come on, that's it. There you go. Nice
Wow.
shot by X66, Craig Morgan.
That wasn't good.
Our 13
Whoa.
from Topsfield.
Not the drive
On
side.
the clock. Could be down to 3.
Not good to drive
Trying to get it
side.
going. Took those couple hard shots to the front end. 16, John Kelly getting turned around. Line it up. Nope, going right by 13.
That's the driver's side.
And a nice shot by X66. Still with 3 of them going in. 2.
Take that, asshole.
2 of them again receiving $100 each. And another good shot by 16, John Kelly. 13. Lewis lining it up for the next hit.
Front end, that's not good. They sandwiched 13.
Nice front end shot by John Kelly on 13.
Yeah, he's not.
13 still running. Not sure they're hooked
Stop.
up right
There he
now.
goes. 13's out.
13 on the clock.
Yeah, he's
Could have our two winners, 66-16.
Hey!
You
Hey!
got it, that's gonna be it. Hold it up, guys. That's 66-16.
Two winners. The net hit 13.
13 John Kelly from Cohasset. And our second winner, X66, Craig Morgan from Middletown. Now again, number 13 gets a free ride to the feature event. Whether or not he'll be able to get it running or not, we'll have to wait and see. Into the feature event. How about a round of applause for all the drivers at event number 1? Let's hear it for them. All right, X66 and 16 both have $100 each coming to them. We're going to get our loader out here to remove